Political economy regards the proletarian, like a horse, he must receive enough to enable him to work. It does not consider him, during the time when he is not working, as a human being. It leaves this to criminal law, doctors, religion, statistical tables, politics, and the beadle. Communism is the riddle of history solved, and it knows itself to be this solution. The entire movement of history, as simply communism's actual act of genesis, the birth act of its empirical existence is, therefore, for its thinking consciousness the comprehended and known process of its becoming.
But also when I am active scientifically, etc. An activity which I can seldom perform in direct community with others, then my activity is social, because I perform it as a man. Not only is the material of my activity given to me as a social product, as is even the language in which the thinker is active, my own existence is social activity, and therefore that which I make of myself, I make of myself for society and with the consciousness of myself as a social being. Natural science will in time incorporate into itself the science of man, just as the science of man will incorporate into itself natural science. There will be one science.